If you're thinking about buying traffic magnetics, you need to watch this first. Because this might be one of the easiest ways to start getting traffic without doing everything manually. Right now, most people struggle to get traffic. They try different methods, jump between tools, waste hours every day, and still don't get consistent clicks, leads, or sales. And that's the frustrating part. Because traffic is what makes or breaks everything online. Without it, you make nothing. But with the right system in place, you can turn simple offers into $100, $300, even $500 per day. And what you're seeing right now is exactly how this works behind the scenes. Instead of dealing with multiple tools or complicated setups, everything is designed to be simple, fast, and beginner-friendly. This is the kind of process that normally takes a lot of time to figure out, but here it's structured in a way where you can actually get started much faster. And that's where the real advantage comes in. Because most people are still trying to figure things out manually, while systems like this are focused on speed and execution. So here's my honest take. If you want a faster and simpler way to start getting traffic, without complicated setups or needing multiple tools, this makes a lot of sense. But if you expect results without taking action, then this is not for you. Now, if you decide to pick up traffic magnetics through my link, I'm also including 5 exclusive bonuses to help you move faster and get better results. Bonus 1, Quick Start Checklist. This helps you skip confusion and take action immediately, so you can start seeing results faster. Bonus 2, Traffic Monetization Swipe File. This gives you proven ideas and strategies to actually turn your traffic into clicks and income. Bonus 3, Live Q&A Session. This helps you remove doubts and get clarity, so you're not stuck trying to figure things out alone. Bonus 4, Interactive Tool Creation Template. This gives you a practical resource to apply what you learn and speed up your execution. Bonus 5, Success Stories Case Study Pack. This shows you real examples so you can see what's possible and stay motivated to take action. The link is in the description below. If you're serious about getting traffic and using a system like this, don't just watch and leave. Go check it out, see how it works, and decide if it fits what you're trying to do right now. And if you do decide to get it, make sure you use my link so you can also get all the bonuses included.